In this video, we're going to be going through the 3 best trading platforms. So to be honest, there's no single best platform because it really depends on your needs and preferences. But the ones I'm going to give in this video are consistently known to be the best contenders. So the first one is Interactive Brokers, or IBKR. So this is for serious traders, the ones who want access to pretty much everything. Globally, we're talking stocks, options, futures, forex, you name it. Their platform is powerful with advanced charting and analysis tools, and their fees are generally low, especially for high volume traders. However, it can be intimidating for beginners and the learning curve can be steep. So if you're a beginner, this platform may not be for you, but it's always worth playing around with. But in all honesty, this is generally the platform for people who really know what they're doing. But the second one on the list is TD Ameritrade. So this is a solid all-round platform. They offer a great balance of user-friendliness and powerful tools. So their Thinkorswim platform is excellent for those active traders, especially those trading options. They also have a ton of educational resources, which is great for beginners. Now, since they're part of Schwab, you generally get access to a massive range of investment options and a very large company. So this is a good platform for intermediate traders. But the final one on the list is Fidelity. So known for its reliability and strong customer service, they offer a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Their research tools are solid and they have a good mobile app. And another thing though, they're a good choice for long-term investors and those who value stability. So to really define it, it's really good for beginners to intermediate traders. And that's it. So that wraps up the 3 trading platforms. So make sure to let us know what you think in the comments, and of course leave a like and subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.